how to recover deleted Instagram photos, reels, or stories, then this is the right guide for you. Instagram actually gives you a recently deleted feature, but there is one important limitation: time. So if you deleted something, you should recover it quickly before it gets permanently removed. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Now tap the menu icon at the top right and select Your Activity. Here, you will see an option called Recently Deleted. Tap on it. Now, this is where Instagram stores deleted posts, reels, and stories. Stories usually stay for 24 hours, while posts and reels stay for up to 30 days before they are permanently deleted. So, if you want to restore something, just open the item, tap the three dots, and select Restore. That's basically it. Your deleted Instagram content will come back instantly. This is the fastest way to recover deleted Instagram posts, reels, and stories. If this helped, make sure to follow for more Instagram tips and tricks.